Rasta is at the track for the first time racing. It looks like a S3. I'll go close and see if I can zoom in to see if it's an S3. Rasta, let's see what it's made out of. Looks like your handbrake is still down, Rasta. You!
Quattros.
Persons are saying this is the cleanest Voxy in Montego Bay. I don't want to create any animosity amongst Voxy owners, but you tell us in the comment whether or not you agree. Let me slowly walk around the Voxy and you tell me. And when we say it's the cleanest Voxy, it's not because he's just coming from the car wash. This is not why I'm saying it's the cleanest. Spectators are saying that this is the cleanest Voxy in Montego Bay. I am not the one saying it, even though while I'm filming, persons are saying it is the cleanest Voxy in Montego Bay. I can't speak for outside of Montego Bay. You let us know. General!
Vlog. Happy New Year,
Man, the same to you and the family, my brother.
That is it, man.
Respect to the max. Welcome to the track.
That is it, man. Everything good?
No, I'm giving thanks to life. I am saying to myself, if you're here tonight, this evening, then probably the rumors that some top racer will be here might be passing through.
Maybe. I mean, I actually far down to do a vlog on a particular car, and then
They
I
change
just say,
their mind.
yo, they did show me and say, yo, pull up something. I say, alright, man, pull up and give the skunkers them some
Blessings, my
content.
brother. Welcome.
Check in, we don't know. Drive up the new look at the car and
Oh, I saw something where you were taking off
take the wrap off of the car.
So it's here now.
Yeah, man, around that side.
Let's go take a look. You want to guess what it is? The famous Poison. Poison's at the racetrack this evening. I'm not sure if he'll be racing, but guess what? Poison's here this evening. And we're happy that he's here. Like I said, even if it's one time up the track, knowing Poison, knowing Scum Lifestyle Nick Lou, he might just take a one run up the track. Not sure if somebody can call him out, but guess what? He's here. I like the new look. Yeah. Viewers and subscribers, this is not the first time that Nick Lou is passing through this racetrack, but as a vlogger this evening, that's the cap he's wearing. And guess what? The bad beast is here with him this evening. Well, go on, General.
But then Ironshore.
Blessings.
Everything good.
You're passing through, and I'm happy. We like the look.
Yeah, man.
We saw it on social media, and it's a good look.
Yeah.
It's probably gonna make it a little bit faster with all the wrap off.
Yeah, it have glass now, so the breeze can fly past it faster.
General, you saw I'm hoping you saw what happened here last week.
Yeah.
With Puss Milk, and we're not gonna try and create any stir, but you're here this week, and I'm hoping you'll go up the track at least once. I should have asked you before, but at least once.
No.
That's not the mood you're in this evening.
Yeah, I won't be going up the track because you don't know. I have other obligations that I have to ensure that I'm not really partaking. But I'm here to record. I'm here to hold a good vibes, just to see
like
what is
always.
Up. Yeah, I hear Puss Milk supposed to pass through, so I'm hoping to see him on Pluggy race tonight. And Ziggy was supposed to actually fall tonight.
So we're hoping that.
Yeah, I'm not sure yet. He's still tossed up. Yeah, he's still a toss up because he was supposed to leave Kingston, but I was actually on my way out. The pitch showed me and said, yo, pull up to the track. So I say, yo, you know.
His car is up and running again.
Yeah, I love my GTO Greg people, them, the skunkers, them down the side. The love is real, and I just say, yo, for 2025, I never pass through, so I'm there.
My brother, I hope the next time that we see each other, my car will be close by. I have a little golf cart.
Yes.
working on.
Yeah, man.
So hopefully it'll be up and running by then.
For sure.
All right.
You know, I always tell you this, continue doing the good work. I enjoy watching your vlogs. I enjoy the commentary. and I just enjoy the work that you put in. So big up to you and Fambo Kanambo. Big up to the Ironshore LeatherBelt farms them too. Big up from Scum Lifestyle every time.
And every time we speak, I've always said that you're my motivator, and I say it without apology. When we started out, there were a lot of things that we were not sure about,
Yeah.
and you were the first person to say to me, and I'll never forget it, and I'll keep saying it. Anything you need to know, just reach out. Here's my number.
Yeah, man, because listen, you might say I'm motivated, but you motivate me too. Because there's a lot of times I don't vlog and I see your vlog come out and I say, yo,
Blessings.
I need to get back to it because the people them want some footage and some content. So it's just a pleasure, it's a joy, it's a good energy. 2025 is the year of just trying to influence it the best way as possible. You understand?
Blessings.
So you don't know Ironshore LeatherBelt. I always tell you from day one. I love your commentary. Don't stop doing it. It is positive. It's nice. It have humor to it. And yo, trust me.
General.
Yeah, number one.
It's definitely a pleasure. Thanks for passing through. And
every time.
we hope to capture some good footage later on.
Farms, you don't know then.
Respect.
That is it.
Viewers and subscribers, Scum Lifestyle is at the racetrack this evening, and he's looking at the bus that I filmed earlier on, and that people are saying it is the cleanest Voxy in Western Jamaica.
Channel. Yeah, I'm not around. Spicy.
We're trying a thing.
Spicy.
The thing we are headed on, you know?
Yeah. Spicy. Look like spicy combo, yeah?
Out here.
That is it.
Trouble?
That is it. We're trying. Yeah, man.
Yeah, I'm glad to see you though.
Yeah, man.
You don't know me, I have some vibes.
Scum Lifestyle is calling him out right away.
Respect for the fight.
It won't be at this track, but it's gonna happen sooner or later.
Yeah, well, me and him a party like that. Yeah, man.
Okay, cool.
Me and him a party like that.
Okay.
Big brother in the
We
game.
know more than.
Okay.
Big brother in the game. Trust me.
Blessings.
Yeah.
Trust me, man. I'm proud
Yeah,
of
man.
him
One
because
little one on the boss.
what I'm proud of, you didn't go the conventional Bima route or the Audi.
Right.
And went to the Benz. And I tell you,
I have a couple of guys now which will motivate. And
Yeah.
I mean, he can tell you,
Yeah.
LeatherBelt. We have like about 4 or 5 C43 on the track. Most of the time.
AMG
All of
to
them
the
not
world.
yeah.
there. These guys are motivated and buying these, you know? Yes.
I do have a feeling that you will be one of the fastest in the near future.
Alright, definitely. As it is now, it's the fastest C43 in the island.
Yeah.
Now, within 2 weeks' time.
Whoa! Whoa!
Whoa! Pick up further. Yes, balls it, you know?
You go too far now. Too far to see him at Burnham.
I would glad to have you in my mate.
Yeah.
St. James. Right, LeatherBelt. Right, sir?
It's a
You know
blessing.
what me saying now? Unless I'm Antigua Bay. but-
Gal Tigo Bay.
Yeah, Tigo Bay. Cancel the correction again.
C43 AMG Badness. And he has never been to the track, and somebody call him out and don't go and represent. So guess what? We'll see what happens later on. Win or lose. It's still work in the making, still doing some work, but guess what? As it is right now, he will still race.
Viewers and subscribers.
Yeah.
We're here today at the track.
Viewers and subscribers, this is the famous
Subscribers. We're here today.
Nick Lou tagging, putting on one of Ironshore LeatherBelt sticker.
Viewers and subscribers.
No, we're
How
famous.
much
No, we are famous.
How much more power did I get on my car? Viewers and subscribers.
27 day tuner told me.
Yeah. Viewers and subscribers. Put this down so it don't blow off. That is it.
Poison is at the track.
The way me I sing, let's be honest, go on stage now, the fix things, success while going. I've been waiting, fully pumped up, me feel the adrenaline. We still alive. Big up Ironshore LeatherBelt, man, the #1 YouTube channel. Watch on man, Gina, watch where you go on. Check out my new single Syrup, coming very soon, you see me? Watch on now. We never give up, life sweet like syrup. Dum, 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 dum. Good thing we never give up. Big up Ironshore LeatherBelt.
Viewers and subscribers, if you've been following the channel, GTO Greg has not been at the track for a while, and he's here tonight, and he's here to race. But this gentleman is also saying, listen, the only reason why he left his Sunday dinner and turned up at the track this evening is to beat GTO Greg. My brother, I'm the only person be talking. Tell us exactly why you're here this evening.
Remember say last week you have one whole heap of talking in my mouth, you know. So I asked him if this week was impossible, and he said, all right then, so.
Well, guess what? GTO Greg has been here for about an hour and a half waiting. You know who is it that we're waiting to leave. If they leave, you're ready to race.
I put on the shoes for now and go and wait.
Oh, you're not waiting for them?
You just wait for them to do what they do.
But you're putting on your shoes right now?
Yeah.
And the main person you want to beat this evening is who?
GTO Greg, man.
Straight up.
Straight up.
And yours is all motor going up with a turbocharge?
I'm not afraid. Believe.
Wow.
Bad boy motor.
Okay, not just a regular. Now, recently, persons are saying, when I say a car is built, they're saying, no, it's natural.
Yeah.
How can a car be natural and you have to tune, you have to put on downpipe, you put on, aftermarket extractor. Is your car natural? Yes.
Car modified.
The car is modified.
Yeah.
Not fully built, but modified.
Not fully built, but modified.
Okay.
So it's a bolt-on setup.
And it has a tune on it.
Has a tune on it. Big up Google.
Google
big
the
up
tuner.
Tines. Yeah.
Okay, my boss.
And big up my sponsor, Colt Max.
What about your mechanic? Who's your mechanic?
I am the mechanic.
You're the mechanic?
The builder, everything.
Okay, my
Big up
boss.
my father. See him, they not left me an inch.
Okay.
Come on,
Sir, you know GTO Greg car, right?
Yes, sir.
You think if he goes up with GTO Greg tonight, he can win?
It's a must.
There's no two ways about it.
It's a must.
It's a must.
One way and a way.
Okay, my boss.
Man, it's
Blessings.
life.
All right. This car was the dominant force last week at the racetrack. He's here tonight, and he's not calling out anybody. But guess what? If you're ready to race, he's ready. Out of the ILT Performance. He's here for racing tonight. From Trani, Fmot Trani. It is important that I make mention of that. The driver says, listen, let all the followers know that, listen what, he's not from Montego Bay, he's from Trelawney, and he's here to represent Trelawney, not Montego Bay. Who is it you say is at the racetrack and he wants to race this evening?
GTO Greg.
You think this car can beat GTO Greg?
Yeah, man. Any fun teacher will come out, man. Dead.
Any
fun teacher.
dead.
Any fun teacher will come out dead.
Any front wheel drive that takes the starting line this evening,
Dead.
this car is going to beat them.
Yeah. I get it across the road.
Okay.
When the car get out, say GTO come on, man. I'm ready for this, man. GTO ready for me.
No, wait. Where you said a while ago?
GTO go inside in, so tell them cross road and come on. Mad slash we are dealing with. See
Okay.
them? Stand the car.
Which one? This one?
Yeah. I will come for the minute.
So
This is mad eye.
this is going to beat GTO Greg also?
Yeah, this will be GTO Greg and that.
So
tell
two
people-
cars are going to beat GTO Greg.
Yeah.
This one right here and this one right here.
Yeah. I found two drive there.
Simple built. How many times this car won the Mexico Championship? 2 times.
The whole pack up for Mexico. And you got jammers go run. You got jammers so you know got brain and feel. You might ask you know got brain and feel go run.
Okay, boss. So this car is representing Fmot Trani, while this one is from Bamboo.
Zinc kind of dark, bro.
Eh?
Sanchez, it's always a pleasure having you and racers outside of Montego Bay passing through the racetrack. How things, my brother?
It's everything normal.
Blessings. Now, you're here this evening and there's still a few persons who wants to race you. They did not take up the offer last week, but you're here this week. What do you say to the persons who wants to race Sanchez? Not on the street, but at any racetrack. What do you say to them?
All me have to tell them, you know. Just tell me when they want to race, what time, me can come and mommy and get a race. I don't want to waste my fuel to come over here, now get no race, because I do it last week. And waste out my time, energy, everything. This week, you know, I do my body work and mechanics same way. They feel kind of a little bit tired. I mean, I feel the vibes.
Otherwise, the car would be here with you.
Yeah, because I feel a little tired. Carl post milk asking me forward and say, no, I'm not forward. I feel tired too. I say, all right, I'll go over there and look what I go on. As I come over here, man, them talk great. I say, I didn't come for really. So I said to him, I said, you see me on foot, I don't come for, but when you see car, I don't talk. I don't talk strong this week. Because I don't see no car. Even when I out to my car last week, where they run tuggy and parking car, I say, no, I'm on time. He attacked me out a while ago. Say, he want to run me.
Because
but
the car is not here.
They don't see no car, so they want to run me.
So, in order for you to come back to the track to race, you just need for them to say, listen,
Yeah.
I am willing to race, I'll be there. Give you a time and a place and you'll be there.
Because remember, when I come up last week, I watch a video and I see one youth call me out, say me I hide. And I say, all right, I show them who I hide. So I give them a visit up there last week. I don't get no run. Park on the line, who will time me up there, no run. I don't get me on my slicks, no run. Give me have to end up home without getting a run. Waste my gas, my time, everything come up there. So I come up here tonight again to come watch what I go on and see if I can come back up here again next week. So anybody will want me, I run off of me.
Front wheel drive.
Front wheel drive, come up next week.
Turbocharge.
Yeah, come
or
here, come
nitrous.
up. Any one of them, man. Turbocharge or nitro, anything they want. Come here, have all of them. But the Starlet, you know, so that Starlet a big stage drive, man.
Oh, fair enough, fair enough. Yeah, you have to protect, yeah.
You know, drive a Starlet.
So the same car you brought last week?
Same one. And me have other car, same way.
Okay.
When at the camp, I go forward, same way. So, me here want to youth come and tell me, say, I'm youth from Bamboo. Say, you want to run off of me. So, I make you know this. Next week, go show about yourself, same way, and forward. Let me have a little showdown up here.
Okay.
Youth from Bamboo is saying bad. Show about Sanchez will come next week. So, you know, if you run up your mouth, when you don't see no car over there next week.
All right, boss. Blessings. The full team from ILT Performance in Fmot Trani, they're here tonight at the track. They're doing the final preparation. I just found out that the driver is also a tuner. So he's doing some tuning, final touches to the car just before the showdown. We're hoping they'll get a chance to race tonight because there are a lot of competitors here. We're hoping for the best. We have not had a chance to film any race yet, so we're still waiting. It's after 10. Let's hope for the best. But the team is out and they're outside. 5A Badness. 5A Badness to the world. Trying to get ready for Burnham Field, which is going to be in February. This bad machine is out of Bamboo. This is Bamboo in St. Anne's. GTO Greg is here to look at the cars that he's going to be racing with soon.
This come for me.
Yes, sir.
I'm soon left, man, and see by the Well, I broke out one here, so. Alright. I didn't come to me on this one.
So Ghetto Greg, on a serious note, Ghetto, can this car beat you? No, seriously.
Well, out there go do it talking. Funny truck.
That's all you're saying?
Yeah.
That's the only thing I have to say. Take it to the track.
Truck.
Okay, big boss.
You don't have nothing else to say. Truck.
Take it to the track.
Yeah.
So if we're not gonna call your names, if those people leave, you're ready for racing.
Ready. Yeah, man, you're good. Go there. Yeah, man,
That's not nothing, we have it. But if I race, we're ready.
Even by yourself.
Ready. I just
do 12 by yourself.
I was buck into a little bit, right? That's all.
So, yo.
So that's what you dog. Dog say, oh, it's Mexico.
We are waiting for them, brother. I left tonight. I could have 1 o'clock tonight. We are ready.
Alright.
Yo! This machine belongs to GTO Greg. D16 Badness. He brought insurance with him to the racetrack. The insurance is on the back of the car. Let me go a little closer so you can see it. This is usually a clear indication that he's here to race. That's proof that he's here to race. He's not here for the fun of it. So let's hope that they'll get a chance to race later on. Unfinished business. One TBoss. TBoss.
Yeah, man, big up.
You said the first person on your list for the racing scene is who?
Gonna be Ted the Rat.
Ted the Rat.
Always hiding. I don't know why. Always hiding. Every time I come in gone. Every day and then I spotlight. Anytime time I come, see him just disappear.
Okay, and this is your
Yeah, man.
mechanic right here.
Yeah, man, Black I don't know.
Black and Shine. It's a pleasure, my boss.
Yes, my brother.
Keep up the good work.
Alright, my brother.
Because of you, T, that can come to the racetrack now win some race. Well, he used to win race before, but he'll win more race now.
Yes, man.
All the best to
Man,
2025 and beyond.
Man. We have something for you, man. Don't worry, man.
Alright, my brother.
Yeah,
Respect.
man. Big up.
Always. I can't remember seeing another Tida anywhere in the western part of Jamaica with a SR20. Now, if you're a Nissan fan, you know what an SR20 can do. This Tida is gutted and ready for racing. Yep. He says he's getting a lot of wheel spins, so just need to get some tires now. And yeah, that's gonna be it. SR20 in a Tida. Badness.
Yeah, man, we're there with the bad dog, man. Street tires, man.
Well, it's 15 minutes after 11 o'clock, and this is going to be the first race for the night.
We're ready and on a free run, you know. Yeah, man, we're there with the maddest life. Straight out the bamboo. And on a free run. When you know, live the life, you live the saddest life. You are out dead tonight.
General, where's that while ago?
You are out dead tonight. We're there with the maddest life. See driver there. Show him driver. Show him up. Man, though, make that show up, man. Maddest life. You say, nah, live the life, and them live the saddest life. Why they ain't come out with when you park your park? They don't have to park, man. We can't eat at them like glory, man. Mad, man. I'm sure them are going. Mad and mean. Straight out of bamboo.
Okay. This car, the driver drove for more than an hour to get to this location for racing. They're here tonight and they're here for racing. They're waiting for a car jack to take the car up and put on slicks. There it is. GTO Greg is getting ready also. They're trying to agree on the conditions before the race. You're saying GTO Greg is wearing street and track.
Yeah.
And he's saying to you that it's street to have a street track. So you rather go straight slicks.
But me and the fan, we are sent down to the 6 them, so I don't know if we come out with them if I not go use them.
Okay, fair enough, yeah.
We'll find out. Let me find out. You say you want that one? Okay. Well, one more. Yo, make it clutch cool. Make it clutch cool. Give them all and done. Make it clutch cool. Give them all and done. Make it clutch cool. So it's best of 3. The EF took that one just now. They're getting ready for the second. They're getting ready for the second run. All right, let me find out who the one was. Watch your eye. Yo! 1-1. Yo! 1-1. Okay, so it's 1-1. They're going for the final run. This is best of 3. Get the Greg is all serious. They're on this race face now. So this is going to be. Very close from here. Look at the excitement. We will find out right now who won that one. Let's find out. Rest in peace, Getter. Who took the final one? LeatherBelt. Is that tape?
Getter took that one.
Is that tape?
Didn't hear that. Come repeat that for me.
Go on, hot blood. Says so by Bossy. Tell him how to put on his shoes and put on the shoes. Yeah man, cheer with the shoes now man.
Cheetah, you drug thing, a street and tracks in the pan.
Cheer with the shoes now man.
So you're saying because people will be watching the video, so let me make sure. The reason why you lost is because he's wearing street and track.
You know, I said that.
Okay.
You just no fear.
Yeah, but you knew that before you start.
Yes, now that's why I say switch over I think now. Give me something in my favor now.
Okay.
Put on the shoes and I could try.
Alright, I'll ask him nicely when he comes down if he's willing to.
Alright, yeah man.
It's just like that? Just like that. Killing is willing. Killing is willing, man. I tell him don't. You're killing him willing. Fucking my shoe. What kind of shoes that I get? When I'm in my shoe. Where is quick?
Congratulations on your win, Ghetto.
Yo, remember, in front of 5 million people want to kill him. Yo, I carry home and cover it up till you don't call me out again. Laddie! Laddie, hurry up! I want you dead or alive.
What? Hey, Ghetto, what about Sanchez if Sanchez come up here next week?
All Sanchez to me.
Dead!
Shut up.
No.
No.
What is that on my nose?
I'm out.